Ultimate Frisbee is played between two teams of 7 players on a large rectangular field. The field is usually 40 yards wide and 120 yards long. The game is played by passing the Frisbee to 2 teammates with the goal of catching it in the end zone to score a point. Players cannot run with the Frisbee. If the Frisbee is dropped or intercepted, it results in a turnover. Based on Newton's second law, a centripetal force is that by which 2 bodies are drawn or impelled, or any way tend towards a point as to center. As an object follows a curved path, radial acceleration is required to change direction and keep the object traveling on a curved path. When the object is released, the acceleration is no longer directed towards the center, but instead follows the direction of the tangent, which is now tangential acceleration. In Ultimate Frisbee, it is important to know the right release point in order to get around players who are blocking you and accurately pass the Frisbee to your teammate. The point of release is important because it helps guide which direction the Frisbee will go. As Tori is throwing the Frisbee, it must be forced to follow a curved path due to its acceleration. At release, radial acceleration no longer exists because there is no longer a restraining force. What you see is the Frisbee following the path, tangent to the curve at the instant of release. As you can see this first throw, Tori releases the Frisbee too late, which causes the Frisbee to follow its path towards the side because it's following the tangent of her arm. In the next throw, you can see she releases the throw in front of her, which causes the Frisbee to travel straight ahead. The goal is to throw the Frisbee to Tori, who is at a distance. To increase how far the Frisbee is thrown, the horizontal component of projectile velocity is manipulated. When the horizontal velocity is increased, there will be an increase in the horizontal displacement of the Frisbee. When Tristen throws the Frisbee, you can see that her arm swing is not fast, which causes the Frisbee only to travel a short distance. Now watch as Aimee throws the Frisbee. Her arm swing is significantly faster. This causes an increase in velocity and allows the Frisbee to travel a further distance. In Ultimate Frisbee, this technique can be used during the throw-off to begin the game. It can also be used to throw the Frisbee across the field toward the end zone to score a point.